mother, and I am gonna say you have to. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Rojo. He went that he was out from his house, from his village, then gone on one boat, then on the water there was a boat. He go around the boat, then go down a high mountain, Everest. Then he climbed down the mountain. Then he did a campfire. Campfire. So with the campfire he goes down here, and then he made two tents and one campfire. One is he was sleeping, and one is his toy sleeping. And this is the tent. And one owl and a tree. Here and owl is sitting on.
A bench.
Yes. And there's a fire. Okay. Then also
In the
inside
sky?
the sky was so much moving in the sky. And there's the little tent inside the toy was inside the little tent was the fidget spinner. I'm okay.
দেখি কি করছে